welcome back to my channel. In this video, I came back from the Apple store and got an iPhone X case from Otterbox. And it's a statement case. They don't sell them online. They only sell them at the Apple store. So yeah, this is how it looks like. It opens up, slides out. And it's a leather to the tough, protection to the core. Inspired by Cupertino, designed in Fort Collins, Colorado. That's why I got this case. It's made in Colorado. Yep. It's clear. And then in the bottom, it's leather. Looks like the original iPhone. Yeah. So that's it. That's just like a video to show my new case for my iPhone X. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Hit the like button and subscribe. Peace.